Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel and my video. My name is Liam. First off, if you're interested in social engineering tools built in Python and/or PHP, I have ready-to-use email, SMS, and call scripts that run in just one file. Purchase includes users' SMTP and/or private API credentials, maintenance of users' SMTP and/or private API credentials, and 24/7 support. Thanks so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let the video begin. In today's example, we are going to send emails to multiple recipients using my Python script. The inboxes are empty. Let's go to the script. In SMTP configuration, we will add the private user credentials that the script purchase includes. In sending options, we set the variable use multiple recipients to true. For recipients file, we use a file called recipients.txt, where we save our list of recipients. We set the variable one-by-one sending to true, so that each delivery is separate. In delay sending, we set it to 4 seconds per delivery as an example. In the recipient configuration, we have available all the recipients available for the name and for the email. We will add in the from email, the address that we want to impersonate. In reply to email, we will add a fictitious address of the attacker where he should receive the replies. In message configuration, we go to subject, and we will use a real Coinbase transaction. In body is HTML, we set the variable to true. In body file, the body of the message is saved in a file called message.txt. We will use a real obfuscated Coinbase template with working URLs and embedded images. In attachment configuration, we set the variable include attachments to true. The attachments that are sent are saved inside a folder, in this case called attachments. In header configuration, we set the variable use embedded images to true. The images that are sent are saved inside a folder called embedded images. In header configuration, we set message ID domain to the domain we want to spoof, and we set it to true to use the current time for sending. We run the script in this case for Windows using the Python email spoofer.py command, and we wait for the emails to be sent to the recipients. We can see that the first email from Elon Musk at gmail.com has reached all recipients in the inbox. It also uses the same user image, and we can also see the Coinbase HTML template with the embedded images. The links are also functional. We have also received the attached image file. Now we are going to send from Coinbase.com using the same image, and we will send it from a real Amazon AWS mailer to sign the email, creating fake DKIM signatures. We poison the header to show that it was sent from Coinbase.com, a highly protected domain. Now we run another time the script and wait to receive the emails from Coinbase. We receive the emails. We can verify that it uses the same Coinbase image, signed from the Amazon AWS mailer and sent from the domain coinbase.com. Now we will make a final sending using the Binance.com domain. We run the script again and wait to receive emails from this domain. Emails have successfully arrived back to the inbox using the Binance.com domain. If you stayed until the end of the video, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. If you are interested in trying and purchasing any script for email, SMS, or calls, please contact me via my private Telegram channel t.me/thehappybirthdaybox. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Best regards.